All right, today is May 30th, and we are going to introduce you guys to our new little motor coach here. This is a Coachman Leprechaun 21 QB 2019 with all the hookups, and this is our first foray into the RV lifestyle. We looked very seriously at doing a van, but for the convenience and for the money, my goodness, they're 3 times as much, and it seems like you get half as much. So with this, love that it's on a Ford chassis. It's an E450, so that's a Triton V10 monster gas engine, which is just freaking awesome. And we specifically like this one because it's about as small as they make in a Class C. Class C is the one that has a little hump on the top up over here. And we like this because it was self-contained and we didn't want slide outs. We wanted simpler the better. But it's nice because it has AC and it's a full real deal. So we'll do a quick little tour inside, and then we'll give you a little tour on the outside. Rika, would you mind opening the door? Thank you. So, it's pretty simple, but made me look like I was looking at your butt. Sorry. Okay, so this is kind of fun. So this has all the panels and the turn everything on, and then this is the coach. Ta-da! So it's pretty simple, but it's fully self-contained. It works out pretty nice. We've already started making some of our own additions. This is the panel, which is kind of cool. And you just push each of these buttons and it'll tell you the status of what everything is, fully charged, where we're at with things. It does have this TV, which we haven't turned on, but we're not too worried about. And this is an extra bed that's up here above the cab. So there's the cab, and we just use that right now for storage for food. We can use these other cupboards, but we haven't started doing that yet. And then we'll step back. This gives kind of an idea of what the whole coach looks like. So here we have the 3-burner stove with a sink, and then this fits just on top of it, and it has a small oven underneath. And then we have our dinette set, and then we like this because we do our own cooking. Oh, got a little microwave, which when we're plugged in we can use, but we like this because we can have our own healthy food, and we get our ice cream at night, which is kind of cool. And then we have our full fridge, and this is either gas or electric. So if we're driving down the road, it's gas. If we're plugged in, it's electric. And then we've got loads of storage. The huge door side is Rika's. Mine is the small side. Wonder how that worked. And then a queen size bed with additional lights and loads of storage.
Take this down.
No, you can leave it up there. And then we have a nice little bathroom that has a full shower, and then the sink. We've added a couple of storage. We didn't clean up very well, but that's all right. And the commode. But I gotta tell you, that's been really sweet. So then we will venture outside. I gotta tell you, it drives well also. I seem to be saying gotta tell you. I don't have to tell you anything, I guess. We're really happy with how it's been outside, and we bought this from a company out in California. Would you mind opening that back one? And we had a friend of ours as a driver deliver it in, which was great. So one of the things I love about this one as well is there's a storage space here for television. We don't really watch TV, so I don't know what we're going to use that for, but we'll find something for that. Down here is your propane, which we fill up not all that frequently. And then over here is the giant trunk space, which has been awesome. It's a full-on mess right now, but I think we'll be able to store bikes back here in a rack, which is pretty cool. And but it allows us to have all of our toys and gear. So we're down in Bentonville, and we were riding, and I was riding yesterday, and Rika was running, and loads and loads and loads of room down there. And then the very back here, there's the bike. Remember, brought to you by Heavy Capitalist. Finally got my bike branded. And then we have the rack on the back for now, and ladder. But gotta tell you that this, I think, with Rika being able to sit in there and work, and me being able to work there, I think we've been able to hit a home run with this. So with that is the first little tour of this. We'll probably do more of these as we get cleaned up down the road. Thanks all.